Good morning, students. We discussed supranational political systems in the previous video. Now, the second typology of political system is national political systems. So, the term nation state is widely used and very commonly used, and it is defined variously. So, many nations were formed at a point in time when people sharing common culture, common history, common heritage, common language discovered a sense of identity. So this we can find in history. So many states were created when people share common culture, common history, common language. This was true in case of France. This was true in case of England and France. For example, France and England were the first nation states to emerge in the modern period, and later Italy and Germany in the 19th century. In contrast, other states such as India and Soviet Union and Switzerland, though they were formed as nations, though the people of those countries share different cultures, different heritage, different historical backgrounds and different languages, but yet the nations were created. So it must also be emphasized that the contemporary nation states are creations of different historical periods of varied circumstances. In 1920, the Leagues of Nations have recognized seven great powerful nations. They are United Kingdom, UK, France, United States, Germany, Italy, Japan, and Russia. There are numerous other populous and prominent countries such as Argentina, Australia, Brazil, China, Egypt, Greece, Hungary, India, Indonesia, Iran, Ireland, Kenya, Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, Pakistan, Poland, South Africa, South Korea, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Turkey, and Venezuela. So these can be populous and prominent nation state countries. So there are two kinds of nation state political systems. One is unitary nation states, the other one is federal systems. So unitary nation system, a great majority of all the world's nation states are unitary systems only. So the great majority of the world's nation states are unitary system. So including Bulgaria, France, Great Britain, Netherlands, Japan, Poland, Romania, Scandinavian countries, Spain, and many other Latin American, African countries. And there are great differences among the unitary states. However, specifically in the nations, in the institutions and procedures through which their central governments interact with their territorial subgovernments. In one type of unitary, there are three types of unitary system. In the first type of unitary system, decentralization of power among subnational governments. So far, the practice, although not in constitutional principle, but they resemble federal governments. So here you get decentralization of power among subnational, it means provincial or state, so regional governments. The second type of unitary system makes less provision for territorial decentralization of authority and employs the strict procedure for the central supervision on the locally elected governments. So, less provision for decentralization of power. The third type, where we find in the type of unitary system provides only decentralization. In such cases, the officials are responsible for managing the affairs of the territorial subdivisions and appoint central government, and the role of local elected officers is either minimal or non-existent. So totally only for the namesake they exist, or minimal or non-existing, but the complete authority in the hands of national government. Examples of this kind, like Germany, Adolf Hitler was who formed such kind of unitary nation state of government during 20th century. The second category is what is called federal systems. So unitary system, three kinds we have: decentralization of power based on federal systems. Political authority is divided between two autonomous sets of governments. One is national, the other one is subnational. We call them as India and the states and union territories, for example, Pondicherry, Goa. So these are all called. So the governments, so the one is the central government, the authority of the central government, the limitations and exercise of powers of central government, whereas the authority, limitations and powers of state government. So here in federal government we find the authority and power and exercise of power of the nation as well as the state on the people. So usually a constitutional division, a constitution plays an important and pivotal role of this kind. So here a provincial and national government, a whole national territory, the national government has the power over the whole national territory, whereas this provincial government or state or provincial or regional government that exercise power within its boundary. So examples of this kind is Russia and Canada, United States, Brazil, Australia, India, Argentina are the best examples of federal governments. Federal countries are also include Austria, Belgium, Ethiopia, Germany, Malaysia, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Switzerland and United Arab Emirates, Venezuela. So they are the best examples of federal. And the Russian Federation system is a different kind, also reflects the cultural linguistic diversity of the country. So this we can find in Russian federal system, and depending on the size and of the territory, they have historically occupied ethnic minorities, maybe autonomous republic or regional district in Russian federal government. In other systems, federal governments or arrangements are found in conjunction with a large measure of cultural homogeneity. The Constitution of the United States delegates the federal government certain activities that concern the whole people, such as the conduct of foreign affairs, foreign relations and war, and the regulation of interstate relations, interstate commerce and foreign trade. Certain other functions are shared between the federal government and the states, and the remainders are reserved for the states. So there are different, maybe different judiciary systems for the state and the central, and two separate bodies of political officers, two judiciary systems, and two kinds of tax-paying systems. So like this we can find in federal governments. So this is all about national political system. We'll discuss subnational political system in the next video. Thank you.